Gopal Guru Goswami was giving the mantra, and then he said one mantra, Sadasya, Sadasya,
Everything is there. But by this mantra, every kind of jeev who has any rus, their rus be supported by this.
Which mantra?
Kling Krishnaya. In this, everything is there. But there is one thing that Kling Krishnaya, if he is Dasharas, if it is Sakhyaras, then Gopijana Vallabhaya will be adjective of first word. Huh? Krishna. Who is Krishna? He is my master and his servant. And Krishna is Gopi Vallabh. In ordinary way, if it is Sakhya, then also Gopijan Vallabh will come before Krishna. Krishna is the name of Sakha. They will trace on Krishna or Govinda. But those who have Gopi Bhav, Manjari Bhav, they will trace on Gopijan Vallabha. And these two words will be adjectives of that. Vatsalya in the same manner. Krishna. They know ordinarily that gopis love him. How they love, they have no idea. No. They have idea, but no experience. Ideas and experience are not the same. They don't know that all girls do love to Krishna. And Sakha also. So when gopis will, one man having the greed, like Manjaris are gopis, they will Govinda, Gopi, he gives so much Ananda to gopis. That is Govinda, not to others. And Krishna, by his appearance, 5 arrows, Krishna has so much attraction. So all will be very supporter of Gopijan Vallabha. They will see all adjective of that Krishna. So every Gopijan Vallabha in our Sampradaya is given. But by the grace of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who has come to this Sampradaya, are mainly of Gopi Bhav. And some may be of other races also, like Srinivas, Murari Gupta, Anupam, and like. So they too have the same mantra, Brajanath and Vijay, but yet separate. Siddhadev, they follow. And one saw, Vijay Kumar saw that my Gurudev is Lalita. And Brajanath saw that it is Baladev or Subha. So it may be. Guru is giving training all this. Lalita Vishakha. Here Lalita means Lalita Vishakha. And Rup Manjari is Pran Sakhi, not Guru as a Guru, but being so much heartial, keeps training everything. So it has been stated there, only for Lalita and Sridhar. Madhur Ras. Everyone has to go for Manjari to Rupa Manjari. And our Guru should be seen as a Guru. We can see our Guru who is giving distance as a Rupa Manjari. And our Guru also can be seen as a Rupa Manjari. But it will be the Mayavad. Understand?
So please see this point.
So, we should see a manifestation of Rupa Manjari. It will know how. And that is why Gopal Guru was seen as a Lalita and but here we should know that manifestation. In Krishna we can see Narayan, we can see Brahman and all these things. Similarly, here we can see. Anyone can see according to their inner bhav, they can see as a manifestation. Otherwise, if we see our Gurudev as a Rupa Manjari, it will be Maya. So you should always keep Mayavad so far away. So here, Seva Sadhak Rupena means I should do service outwardly as a Rupa Goswami has done. What he has done? Sankhya Purvaka Nam Ganyati Gintarav Shanito Nidrahar Vihar Kajivito Chatam Padino Radha Krishna Tulashmate Madhurinandai Samuhito Bande Rukshanatam Rubhidoshi. Sometimes he goes to Radha Kund. Sometimes he goes to Govardhan. Sometimes he goes to Nandagaon. In Nandagaon, sometimes he goes to Terkadamba. Sometimes he lives one day at Uddhav Kyari, Nanda Baitak, Kokilavan, Javat, all dear places he goes. He goes. Our Sat Goswami also has gone all the places. Most dearest, these places are most dearest. I like to be at Javat always because Srimati Radhika and Rup Manjari and all used to live there. From there, in night, they meet at Sanket, yes, Seva Kunj, and all other places. And daytime they meet in the midtime at Radha Kund. Radha Kund has some importance than all places because it's the daytime and no another batch can come there. Only Srimati Radhika's Gan only can come there. No Vipaksha and Tatat.
Nandri cannot come, Yasoda cannot come.
Never they will come. So sadhak rupena as Sada Goswami, especially Rupa Goswami, we should do. And Siddha rupena as Rupa Goswami in the shape of Rupa Manjari. Here Manjari, there he will be male in Rupa Goswami face. And in Siddha Sarup he will be Manjari. What she does? Tambularpan. Understand? Tambularpan. Padamarpan. Tambularpan, Padamartan, Payodan. Payo means very useful water with fragrance in golden pot. Tambularpan. Peak means when Krishna and Radhika wants to
spittoon.
A golden pot is kept there.
For the palm.
Payo Danabhisarave. Abhisar. You know? Abhisar. How Srimati Radhika will meet Krishna in Sanketa-sthal. In Purnima, in full moon, and when there is Shuklapakha ki bole, fight 15 days.
Yeah. What Shuklapakha?
She makes Srimati Radhika to meet Krishna, having every white dress. Even Srimati Radhika is so much gauri.
Golden hair.
She gives karpur on the body of Srimati Radhika. Karpur, you know? Camphor. Mixed with so many things.
Why?
To make white.
Why?
To make white, that if anyone can see, he will see that moon's rays only.
Disguise.
Disguise. They will bind the nupurs so that the men do kin. They don't show noise. And sari and this chunari should be in white. One Sakhi is telling that the night is dark. So, you should take training. How you will go there? So, Srimati Radhika is practicing. In the midnight, in the dark night, Amarasya, he has taken a water of kalash, one kalash, water. Kalash, you know? You know kalash?
Yes.
A glass.
No glass.
Like a water pot.
Water pot.
This.
This is ghata. Ghata, you know? Full of. She fills it in the courtyard and makes it muddy and slippery.
Practice.
And she, you know, kata, thorns. She gives here and there. No. As if it is cloudy day and rain is falling so much and the earth is so slippery and there are serpents here and there. There may be thorns here and there. So in this case, how she can go to Krishna? So she is practicing in night by doing all these things and going by this, you know,
Tiptoe.
Uh-huh.
Tiptoe. Very quietly. It's called tiptoe.
so it's, and Lalita is giving training to Srimati Radhika. So, if Rup Manjari is seeing all these things, or our Guru in this world, but their Sakhi, Manjari, the Manjari know everything, what time, how they should go. They know so many cleverness also. Krishna is waiting at Saket. I am telling about Abhisar. What is Abhisar? Krishna is waiting. In dark night, when raining, Manjari has gone first there to Krishna and telling that Srimati Radhika will not come today. She has come and waiting to see the choice of Krishna and increasing his Krishna what? Desire. They are telling lie that she will not come. Then Krishna becomes so much afraid. And he expresses his idea how to meet. If they see the desire of Krishna so hankering, then they at once tells to Srimati Radhika, then Radhika comes. Otherwise Radhika will not come. So all these clevering things can do that Sakhi Susu. At that time it may be that her father-in-law and mother-in-law and all brother and sister-in-law, they are there. She should be so clever that she can make any way, cheating them, telling lie, by cleverness, they will make a path to meet Radha and Krishna. This is called Abhisar. So all quite qualities.
What is the meaning of that word exactly? Abhisar.
Abhisar means it is Sanskrit word. You should know Abhisari. To go to his lover in the night, to meet, it is called Abhisar. There are so many things about 8 kinds of gopis. Abhisarika, then Basak Sajja. Basak Sajja means she has come first there and making weights of flowers so that Radha and Krishna will sleep on these. So these are called Basak Sajja, making bed of flowers and always thinking that Krishna is coming just now, and seeing they are making beds and always seeing if any noise, if any lips do khad khad sound, they say that Krishna is coming. These are called Basak Sajja. Utkantita. Utkantita means, she is so eagerful that Krishna is just coming. When he will come. Utkantita. But at that time, Krishna does not reach there. He is not present. Then Khandita. Time is over. What time has been given, that time is over. And Krishna has not yet. Why he has not come? There must be some reason. He has perhaps gone to other friends, other people. Or any dangerous thing has come. So many asur, demons are in Vrindavan. So he has to
watch out.
Juddha karna, to fight with them, or anything must have been. Krishna comes after that time. Now it is about to morning. and having some spots and other things, so that he is coming from another beloved. She becomes so furious. Kalahantarita. Kalaha means quarrel. Prem kalaha. Kalaha means
Quarrel.
quarrel.
Quarrel, yes, yes.
Love quarrel.
Lovers quarrel.
And does not speak. So in each condition, that Manjari has some duty to rebuke Krishna, to make understand, to give santana to Radhika. Santana means
Sympathy.
sympathy. And when Krishna apologizes, being on the feet of that gopi, Radhika, then at last, anyhow, she gives his anger, her anger. Then she tells that, give my nupur, take my chotis, the decorated, hairs decorated, and so many he orders, and Krishna follows that orders. It is called Swadhinu Bhartrika, no English word. But meaning is that now the husband is under the control of that lady. Swadhin Bhartrika. So all qualities should be in that Manjari. She prepares, she gives sympathy, she decorates, she gives so many fifth slok in Gurvashtak. निकुंज यूनो रतिकेली सिद्धे या जाली धीर जुक्ति रपेक्षणीय तत्राति दाक्षादति बल्लभस्य वंदे गुरु श्री चरणारविंद. In Kunj Bhaj, Krishna and Radha is meeting and doing bilas. So many yukti means argument are required. Not argument, some broad meaning. What are necessary there? To cheat others, to meet Krishna, to rebuke Krishna, and all what duties are. Explanation and duties for meeting Radha and Krishna and doing service in Kunja Seva. She is very, very much वो जानती है, experienced, so much experienced. So Rup Manjari is quite fit for all these things.
Very well trained.
Well trained. So what she does by their Siddha Sarir in Rup Manjari say, we should always remember and we should adopt. But until we have no sthai bhav and this bhav from Hladini Shakti, we will only pray to have all these things like Bilas Pushpanjali, not to do all these things. A guru warns disciples not to do all this. Only to pray that when my Saubhagya will come. And actually I will be in service like Rup Manjari, our Gurus, Ananga Manjari, and so on. So in Siddh Sadhak, as a Rup Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, our Gurudev, have done what they have done, we should adopt by this body, sadhak. And Siddha Rupena, like Rup Manjari, Rati Manjari, Lavang Manjari, we should try to do service to Radha and Krishna Juga. Tad bhav lipsuna karja brajalokanusarata. Those who have grief, they should do all these things Braja Lok Anusaratah, as Brajavasi has done. Brajavasi means Sarup Manjari. Here, in this rush. Brajalokanusaratah, what is the meaning? Here meaning is that there are two kinds of Krishna pastimes. One Aishwarya Leela and other is Madhurya Leela. What is called Aishwarya Leela? Krishna is always full of 6 things. Jnana, Vairagya, Sri and all these things. Always. Whether he is Narayan, whether he is Krishna. If in Vrindavan we see that Krishna is full of all 6 virtues. He never leaves all these things. When he killed Putana, he was a boy, only of 3 days. He took the breast of Putana. Putana flies away, but still Krishna does not live. Oh, I will take your doodh, milk, and at the same time you also, your life. I will never leave you and keep you always with me. So 10,000 elephants power that Putna had could not separate Krishna. Yeah. So Krishna doing nothing, only having his breast in his mouth, and he took her life. Here it is Aishwarya Leela, actually.
Full power.
But still Krishna never transferred his shape or anything. He became as a boy and still had the breast of Putana. This is Lokanusarata. As a Naralila,
Human liver. Human fast.
he has been killed by Aishwarya. There is Aishwarya also, but by the side Madhurya. And gopis only see Madhurya, not that Aishwarya. But Aishwarya is there.
Covered by Madhurya.
Covered by Madhurya. So it is not that in Vrindavan there is no Aishwarya Leela, but Aishwarya Leela is more than Dwarka and even by Vaikuntha, but always covered by Madhurya. He has given, written that if there is only Nar Leela and there should be no Aishwarya in Krishna, then a child, ordinary child, he does a Nar Leela, but he has no quality of Aishwarya, so he is not God. And he is not be worshipped as a Ras. Understand something? So there must be Aishwarya. Without Aishwarya, not God. And not Gopis Upasya. One thing we see that at first Nanda Baba, Yashoda and all gopis and gopis, they only understand Krishna as their son, their friends, only. All elder persons knew that Krishna is Nanda Baba's son and behaved like this. But when Krishna at the age of 5 took up Govardhan over his finger and all saw, then they told that it is not, he is not ordinary boy. He is like Narayan and he is Narayan. Nanda Baba told, he may be Narayan, but yet he is my son. I have known by hearing the words of Gargarishi of the time of name Karan, name given. He has told that he is not less than Narayan. And first he was Narayan, Vasudeva Putra. So don't behave him as a boy and as a son. And you should not rebuke. You should not try him up. And don't abuse. And don't tell chotta, chor, kapati, dhurta, thief. Don't tell. Nand Baba at once laughed that you are telling that he is God and he has taken it on the Govardhan on his hand. Garg Rishi has also told. But I see that you are over 60. Your mind is not doing correctly. Krishna whips for her a bread to her mother. Give me bread and butter. And always whips. If it is late, she becomes so furious, anger. Sometimes he scolds. These are not symptoms of God. So, whether he has taken one, but I see that he has not taken. But by him, Narayan, our Griha Devata,
It's the worshipable deity of our home.
Our home. He has taken up. Why? We have prayed. So by hearing our prayer, he has taken. But it seems that Krishna. So he is my son. If for argument we see that Krishna is God, yet he is my son, I will beat him, I will teach him, I will do everything to him. Here, by side, Nanda Maharaj is seeing actually that all the virtues are like God. He has done work of duty of God, but yet he has not given up that he is my son. In other hand, we see Vasudeva and Devaki. After killing Kans, Krishna and Balaram went to Vasudeva and Devaki in prison, and they untied their Hathakadi Vedi, shackles, and they wanted to do pranam to their father and mother, and they became like this, folded handed, and began to pray. Oh, you are God. We have seen you in. Have seen with four-handed, and that you have come here. Krishna saw that my pastimes will be spoiled. So he called Jogmaya, and Jogmaya came, and at the same time Krishna went in the lap of Devaki
and began to weep. And Devaki also, by the effect of Yogamaya, began to weep. And Baldev went in the feet of Vasudeva, and Vasudeva also used to begin to weep. But they never saw that Krishna is their son. They always knew that Krishna is God. So here is Aishwarya. Some Madhurya also, but Madhurya is very little. It cannot cover Aishwarya. But in Braja, if Aishwarya comes in so much, but yet Jasoda and Nanda do not bhul jana, forgets that he is my son. And their breast comes so high, then they see that Krishna has taken off. Oh, my son has done so. All Braj will see that my son is so strong and powerful. Other side, by an example, we have given all these examples in very good ways. You see that gopis, when Uddhav went to Braja to consolate gopis, to give consolation,